Hey guys, Lady Steam here. I want to welcome you to the unboxing video for the December 2022 box of making. We've themed this box, let it know, and it is a big, heavy box. But we hope you'll enjoy it. As always, we put a thank you note in here and two pieces of paper, one a link to our video instructions for this month and one a description of the various projects. And then once you open your box, what you're going to find is our main project, which is actually a fun 200-piece jigsaw puzzle. Once you put it together, you'll be able to color it and decorate it. I think it's a really neat puzzle. And we will put a picture of it on the video page so you have access to a finished picture of this puzzle. It's a little bit challenging. We think you'll enjoy it. If you're getting a bonus project this month, you also have our Happy New Year puzzle. It's only 37 pieces, but I gotta tell you, I built it yesterday and it's challenging. So if you're getting the bonus project, put that together, enjoy that puzzle. And then the build project for this is a puzzle board. And it's two big, heavy packages. We're gonna make this puzzle board that's right here on the table underneath me. It'll make a great work surface for you or a lap desk for you if you don't build puzzles. If you do build puzzles, it's really fun because it'll hold a standard 500-piece jigsaw puzzle, give you a nice, easy way to work on that. And then our art supply, we've got a couple of different pins included in this box for you, along with glue and sandpaper and pin test wood. Now, we did sand the puzzles for you before we made them. You probably won't need to do any sanding on the puzzles once you're ready to build them. There's so much detail, we didn't want you to lose any detail out of them doing that. But the puzzle board will definitely need to be sanded. And once that's done, you'll be good to go. Have a wonderful holiday season.